Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you the windshield rubber seal replacement repair job that I'm doing. And the old rubber seal was not properly installed, and I'm sure that a lot of you have had this happen to you. Because basically, they supposedly need clips to hold them in well, and if they don't have the time, if they don't want to spend the money, then they really don't do a good job, and that's what happened here. And so I just ripped out the old rubber seal. It was all loose up here, all the way across, because the guy left too much of a gap underneath there. And so it just came out, and it was just flopping around in the wind. So I pulled it all out completely and cleaned the whole channel really good. And then I bought some polyurethane in a big tube and squeezed it all the way in so that it would leave a nice seal all the way down. And now, instead of putting that rubber seal, I'm just putting some Gorilla tape. Gorilla tape all the way around, and that just keeps the UV from beating down on the polyurethane all the time and protects it. And it keeps water out of there and seals it. And I've had this stuff on, like I used it on an Airstream trailer before, and it seems to be awesome. It like lasts for a long time. And so that's what I'm trying. And so, since it's not a straight line, you have to put it on gradually and stretch it so that it'll curve. So I still have to do that corner right there, but I've done this side all the way down. I had to make a little cut right there because there was too much material, and I had to overlap it in the center. Now I'm just going to finish doing this side here. Okay, so I've got the corner secured, and now I'm just going to meander my way down. Check it out. A little bit off there. Try and get that even. Okay, I think it's pretty decent. Take a look. That'll work. So it's not like a Bentley, but I think it's alright, and it doesn't leak, and it's a good PPG window. It's PP something, Pittsburgh paint and something. It's a good quality windshield. So thanks everybody for joining me. I almost forgot. I put the emblems back on today. They had kind of fallen off because the glue was all rotten. This one's still okay, but I had to re-glue these on, so I had to sand the back of the emblems, That one I actually ordered on eBay. This one was in 3 pieces, and I had to sand the back to prep them. Then I had to sand the paint a little bit. You can see how it's scratchy. And then I bought some emblem glue and glued those back on.